Yes, good morning student. Today we are going to start arithmetic progression part 6. This is the last topic of this chapter. We have already done from question 1 to 10 of exercise 5.3. Now in exercise 5.3 question number 11, if sum of n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, Sn is given to you 4n minus n square. Now, what is the first term? To put n is equal to 1, S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. Putting the value of n is 1. So, it will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, A1 is equal to S1 is equal to 3. This is the first answer. Then, what is the sum of two terms? N is equal to 2. Sum of two terms as 2. Value of n you will put 2. Minus 2 square, 8 minus 4, that is 4. This is the second answer. What is the second term? A2. This is the first part. This is the second part. This is the third part. A2 is S2 minus S1. 4 minus S1 is 3. So, it is 1. This is the third part. Next, similarly find the third term. So, fourth part S3, that is putting the value of n is 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 square, that is 12 minus 9, 3. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. So, S3 is 3, S2 is 4, that is equal to minus 1. This is the fourth part. So, AP is 3, 1, minus 1 and so on. Find the 10th term. This is the fifth part, 10th term, that is A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is 3, 9D is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So, 3 minus 18, that is minus 15. Next, find nth term, sixth part, An. A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3, n minus 1, D is minus 2, 3 minus 2n, 2 into n, minus 2n minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. So, 3 plus 2, that is 5 minus 2n. This is the sixth part. So, we will find these 6 parts in question number 11. Now, let us see question number 12. Sum of first 40 positive integer. Find sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. So, first 40 positive integers are 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18 and so on. 6 into 40. First positive integers divisible by 6 are 6 into 40, that is 240. So A is 6, D is 12 minus 6, An is 240, N is 40. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 A plus An. So 40 upon 2, A is 6, An is 40. This is 20 into 46. 920 is the answer. See the question number 14. 13 is also same as 12. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Last number is 49, which is less than 50. So A is 1, D is 3 minus 1, that is 2, An is 49. So by An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is 49. 49 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 48 upon 2 is equal to n minus 1. 2 here is multiply, so it will come on right side. Left side, that will be divide. So it will be 24 and n will be equal to 24 plus 1, that is 25. Now find the sum. Sn is equal to n upon 2 A plus An. N is 25, A is 1 and An is 49. 25 upon 2 into 50, 225 ja, that is equal to 625. From question 15 to 20, from question 15 to 20 deleted by CBSE for 2020-21 examination. Here this exercise is finished. Now come to exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. Which term of an AP 121, 117, 113 and so on is the first negative term. A is 121, D is 117 minus 121, that is minus 4. An is less than 0. It is given first negative term. An is A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is less than 0. Minus 4n plus 4, the minus 4n taking on this side, 121 plus 4, that is 125 is less than 4n, or n is greater than 125 upon 4, that is 31 1 upon 4. The term the first negative term more than 31 1 upon 4 terms is 32, that is 32nd term. See the question number 2 of exercise 5.4 and then this chapter will be completed. Question number 2, the sum of third term and the 7th term is 6. Question number 2, exercise 5.4, the sum of third term, that is A3 and A7 is equal to 6. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. 2 common, A plus 4D is equal to 6. That is A plus 4D is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 minus 4D. Their product is 8. A3 into A7 is 8. A3 is A plus 2D. A7 is A plus 6D. Putting the value of A, 3 minus 4D plus 2D, 3 minus 4D plus 6D, 3 minus 2D, 3 plus 2D, that is equal to 8. 6 minus 4, 2, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, that is 8. 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8. Minus 4D square is equal to 8 minus 9. Minus 4D square is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel, D square is equal to 1 upon 4. So, D is equal to plus minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Find the sum of first 16 term. If D is equal to 1 upon 2, then A is equal to 3 minus 4D, 3 minus 4 into 1 upon 2, that is 3 minus 2, that is 1. S16 16 upon 2 2 into A plus 16 minus 1 into 1 upon 2 8 2 plus 15 upon 2 8 4 plus 15 2 4 ja 4 into 19 that is 76. First answer will be this. If D is equal to minus 1 upon 2, then A will be 3 minus 4D, 3 minus 4 into minus 1 upon 2, so 3 plus 2 that is 5, and S16 will be equal to 16 upon 2, 2 into 5, 2A plus 16 minus 1, D is minus 1 upon 2. 2 8 ja 10 minus 15 upon 2. So it will be 8, take the LCM is 2, 20 minus 15, 2 4 ja 4 into 5 that is 20. So no need to do these questions 3rd, 4th, 5th. So this chapter is finished. On next turn we will do the chapter 7 or 14. We will see it which chapter we will do it in next turn. So here this chapter is completed.